Money problems? Discover how manifestation can help transform your life. Do you feel like you will never have enough money to meet your needs? Are you ready to turn your financial situation around? If this sounds like you, then you may be surprised to learn that you do not have a money problem, but rather, a manifestation issue. Manifestation is the art of using your thoughts and intentions to create the life you want. It may sound too good to be true, but the truth is, it really works. In this video, we are going to discuss how manifestation works and how to use it to manifest more money in your life. We will explore what you can do to help attract abundance and prosperity into your life, so that you can start living the life of your dreams. So, let's get started and learn how to use the power of manifestation to create the life you want. Manifestation and how it can be used to improve financial well-being. Manifestation is the process of using the power of your thoughts and intentions to attract wealth, abundance, and success into your life. This process is often referred to as the law of attraction, or the power of positive thinking. By using the power of manifestation, you can create tangible, real-world results in your finances, career, and life. Many people wrongly believe they have a money problem, when in reality, it's a manifestation problem. The distinction is important because the former focuses on finding ways to make more money, while the latter focuses on understanding why money isn't coming their way. The truth is that most people don't understand the power of manifestation and how it works. They mistakenly believe that money is the issue when in fact, it's their belief systems and the thoughts they're sending out into the universe keeping them from manifesting their desired outcomes. By switching their mentality and understanding how manifestation works, they can start to see real and lasting results. Basics of the law of attraction and how it relates to manifesting money. The law of attraction is the fundamental concept that states that like attracts like. This means that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs will draw experiences, people, and things into your life that are a vibrational match. Therefore, when it comes to manifesting money, it is important to get clear on the thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that you have around money. When you focus on these things, you will attract more money and financial abundance into your life. To get started, focus on how you want to feel when you have money and abundance, and use those feelings to drive your energy towards manifesting what you want. How thoughts and beliefs shape reality and the role they play in manifesting wealth. It is often said that we are what we think, and this is especially true when it comes to manifesting wealth. Your thoughts and beliefs about money, abundance, and wealth will shape the reality you experience. If you have thoughts and beliefs that money is hard to come by, that wealth only goes to certain people, and that it's impossible to make more money, then that's the reality you will experience. The opposite is also true. If you have thoughts and beliefs that money is abundant, that anyone can achieve wealth, and that you can create more money, then that is the reality you will experience. Therefore, it is important to understand that your thoughts and beliefs are the building blocks of your reality, and they are essential to manifesting wealth. The importance of having a positive mindset and how it relates to manifesting money. Having a positive mindset is essential for manifesting money. Not only does it give you the ability to think about money in a positive way, but it also allows you to be open to receiving it and taking action towards achieving abundance. A positive mindset allows you to think about money in terms of abundance and opportunity, instead of lack and limitation. A positive mindset can also help you take the necessary actions to manifest money, such as setting clear intentions, believing in yourself and the universe, and taking action to manifest your desires. With a positive mindset, you can create a positive, prosperous reality for yourself. Having a mindset of abundance and prosperity is the key to financial success. When you focus on the positive aspects of your life, you become more grateful and open to opportunities. This is the power of manifesting. By focusing on the things that you already have and on the things that you can do to make your life better, you create an environment of abundance and prosperity. The more positive energy you put out into the world, the more likely you are to attract financial and material success. This is the power of manifestation. With a mindset of abundance and prosperity, you can create the life of your dreams. Taking action towards your goals. Taking action is a key component in manifesting wealth. Your thoughts and intentions will only get you so far. You need to take concrete steps that turn your manifestation into reality. That requires being proactive and taking risks. It can be uncomfortable, but it's necessary to move forward. Taking action could mean seeking out advice from mentors and advisors, setting up a side hustle, or making investments. Any action you take should be consistent with your goals, and you should be sure to practice self-care along the way. Taking action can be difficult, but it is the only way to make your dreams a reality. The universe is a harmonious, interconnected system that responds to your thoughts and actions. It's essential to take practical steps to achieve your financial goals. If you want to increase your wealth, for example, then you need to take actionable steps to do so. That could involve increasing your income, investing your money, or finding ways to reduce your expenses. Regardless of the approach you take, it's important to remember that you can only make progress by actively engaging in the process. The universe will work in harmony with your action and provide you with the resources you need to achieve your goals, but you must take the time to formulate a plan and put it into action. Common limiting beliefs that prevent people from manifesting wealth and how to overcome them. Limiting beliefs are those beliefs that we have about ourselves, our environment, and our circumstances that keep us from achieving our goals. Many people believe that they do not have the resources to manifest wealth. Others believe that they are not capable of achieving their goals. Still others believe that they are not worthy of success. It is important to recognize these limiting beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. By changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can manifest the wealth that we desire. Furthermore, visualization and positive affirmations can help to manifest wealth. Visualizing our desired outcome will help to focus our attention on what we want to achieve and will act as a reminder of our goals. Positive affirmations can help to combat our negative thoughts and beliefs. The importance of self-awareness and how it plays a key role in manifesting money. Self-awareness is the ability to recognize and understand one's own emotions, thoughts, and behaviors. It is this self-awareness that is key to manifesting money. Self-awareness helps us to understand our values, strengths, weaknesses, likes, and dislikes. This understanding of ourselves helps us to create a positive relationship with money. When we can understand our relationship with money, we can better understand our wants and needs, and create a clearer path to manifesting the money that we desire. It is essential to be able to recognize our feelings, beliefs, and motivations around money, and to be willing to confront any emotions that may be blocking us from manifesting the wealth that we desire. In conclusion, money is an important part of life, but it is not the only factor that affects abundance and prosperity. Instead, it is important to be mindful of the thoughts, beliefs, and actions you take, as these will be the ones that truly determine the level of wealth and abundance you are able to manifest. By learning to trust in yourself and the universe, and focusing on what truly matters to you, you can create a life of meaning and abundance that transcends the need for money alone. Stay positive and believe in yourself.